I am first year student of Anjuman-I-Islam's Begum Jamila Haji Abdul Haq College of Home Science. Since the world is fighting with COVID-19, we have to be very careful in this difficult time. There are some measures given by WHO. We should sanitize our hand, always sanitize should contain 70% alcohol in order to kill the virus. Sanitize the surface time to time to kill the virus. To contain the and stop the spread of virus, government has taken few steps like lockdown of entire country in which all activity, transport, etc. has been closed and only emergency service are allowed to operate. In this difficult time, doctors and other healthcare workers and frontline workers are playing important role to save life. There are our corona warrior. In order to save our world and other life, we should stay inside our house. Lastly, discipline plus unity is equal COVID-free country.